Are we still a win? Are we still a win? We still a win. We still a win. Are we still a win? Them girl keep the black pin shining. We still a win. Are we still a win? Unruly thing. We still a win. Are we still a win? Them to the one say a worldwide thing. Hear me? Bring a right.
CDs out there. If you're gonna cheat, you need to protect yourself, because after you cheat, you're gonna go back and sleep with your partner, and you don't know the person.
But them guys that keep on giving females bun, listen, your day will come and bun for bun will reach you.
Some man a give bone and I get backbone, I know nothing that call it bouncy bone. Man a give bone and I get backbone, I know nothing that call it bouncy bone, chew bone. Masters in a drink beer rum, chew bone. Make two nigga pick up the bone, chew bone.
Msjulzb back again with a sit-down chit-chat session. Okay, so I was on Facebook recently and I saw this video of this woman. I don't know if she's a talk show host or whatever she does, but she had recently gone to Jamaica and she was talking to the public about cheating. So she was asking the question, would you rather to get cheated on or to be the cheater? So
no work, so we have to just even up back. So be fair, bun for bun.
Yeah, I'd rather give bun, you know, anytime at all. Why? I think it's just an enjoyment for me, you know.
Well, I bought, you know, but I know no sweet.
Give bun, get bun, bun a bun, but me I say, me not a personal man, so call it a pay bun, them man they can a pay bun, make it too. Me no want my man to this, you know, but give my man bun like crazy. You could all have bun up, you know.
Well, you don't know, it's a little thing we are going in the society. You can't get away from it. I forgive bun or you have to get bun.
She interviewed a few people, both men and women, and she was asking, do you think it's right to be the cheater or to get cheated on? Their responses was no, a bun for bun, or no, I'd rather be the cheater. So no one, I think out of the whole set of people that she asked, I think only 2 people had said it's better to get cheated on because what you don't know, what don't hurt you. Skin. Never heard about that in my life, because when you do eventually find out, it's gonna hurt you. Do you understand? So my little outlook on this is cheating is wrong, full stop, yeah, but we're all humans. I think it's better to cheat than to get cheated on. Do you understand? Because nobody wants to actually feel like, oh no, like, I don't know, it's a weird one. It's very weird to explain, but as the people in the video were saying, it is better to give bun than to take bun, because getting cheated on is not an easy road. It breaks your heart, your self-esteem goes down to 0. It's horrible. Cheating on a whole is horrible. But I also believe in bun for bun. If your man's there bunning in your eye, in your eyesight, right, and he's giving you, like, no, it's bun for bun. If you want to give me bun, then you must expect to get bun back. This whole thing about, oh, females shouldn't cheat. If the man cheats on you, just walk away. No, honey. Bun for bun. I saw this quote on Twitter the other day that said, if your man cheats on you, you can't just cheat on him back with a regular nigga. You have to cheat on him with someone that beats him at FIFA. The tweet was so, the tweet was so funny. But do you understand where she's coming from? She's trying to say that if your guy cheats on you, there's no point cheating on him with someone of the same standard. Do you understand? Because that won't really hurt him. That will make him feel like, oh, she's a hoe, she just cheat anyways. You have to go like a step further. Do you understand? That's what with guys, I see guys always cheat on their girlfriends or their wife, fiance, whatever, with their friends. And more time their friends ain't even better than them. If you're gonna cheat, you have to do it in a like a bossy way. Like, you have to go 10 steps bigger. But as I said before, I don't condone cheating. I'm just talking about the video that I saw on Facebook because I found it quite funny. And how someone was like, oh, you can't show me face because my man I can watch this, but enough bun me and give me man. I was on the listen. How can she come on TV saying that she's giving her man bun? Like, nah, man, she has no respect for her man. She's like, enough bun me again. The translation, she's basically saying she's cheating on her man a lot. Like, a lot. cheating is so deep, yeah. Like, it's deep. Do you know why? Because there's STDs out there. If you're gonna cheat, you need to protect yourself, because after you cheat, you're gonna go back and sleep with your partner, and you don't know the person you slept with outside has got something, and then who they slept with, and who that person's. Do you know? It's a chain. Yeah, it's an ongoing chain. It's an ongoing cycle. It's an ongoing chain. That's why you need to wrap it up. That's why you need to wrap up your thinky them, and you need to wrap up your, not wrap up your pum pum, but you need to put some kind of protection up there. Do you understand? Yes, me Jules. Even the same bun for bun. Cause why can a female sit there and get bun, and what, the guy's just receiving cheese? Nah, man, he has to get bun too. Have to. It's a must. It's a must. That's what I believe in. But I also believe in leaving. If you feel like the guy is doing you so wrong and he's constantly cheating on you, I don't believe in you sitting around and accepting it. I believe in you packing your stuff and you going. But if you wanted to be a little mean girl, then bun for bun, of course. But if you want to be mature about it, then you leave. So it depends how you take this whole cheating thing. Do you understand? You could be either really immature and bun for bun, or you can be mature and you leave and you say bye, Felicia, lock the door, you never go back. To me, I think both of them is just hurtful. Leaving or giving back bun, I think it's both us. It's the same kind of hurt. So, you know, you have to just decide if you want to be a little petty bee, if you want to be petty wops, yeah, or if you want to be like, no, I'm bigger than this, I'm more sophisticated and them things there.
But them guys that keep on giving females bun, listen, your day will come and bun for bun will reach you. Yes.
You can't just cheat on the girl all the time and expect not to get bun back, yeah, man? There's only so much one person can take, you know. Bun for bun must run sometimes. I know this video is so contradicting, yeah, but if you're going to say, like, you have to know what you're doing with people. Like, when you start a relationship, you have to know that, okay, I'm in a relationship. You're not in an open relationship. You both need to make an agreement, whether it's an open relationship or closed relationship, but in between, you need to know what you're doing, because people can get hurt. And the funny thing is, when a female gives bun, it's the wickedest bun ever. You know why? Because she can breed. I know guys can obviously get girls pregnant, but think about it, deep it. You love a girl, she goes and give you bun and she breeds. Yo, painful, brother, painful. But I think the world should just not give bun. You get tired of someone, break up with them. It's easier that way. So then you know within yourself, your conscience is clear. Do you understand? And then she'll know within herself, her conscience is clear. You don't want to just stay with someone and keep on doing the same thing over and over and over and over and over again. It gets boring. And I also believe in, you can't have your cake and eat it too. Enough people out in this world, female and males, seem to think they can have their cake and eat it too. No, honey, that's unfair. Give the slice of cake to someone else. Stop being so damn greedy. Yes, we all need to eat out here. Huh? If they give the bun, yes, if you give bun, you have to take bun back same way. I believe in that one. But I also believe in leaving. So it's a bit of both. It depends. I don't know. It just depends, innit? Like, I don't know. I also believe in the length of the relationship as well. Like, say for instance, you're with someone for like a couple months and they give you bun. I think it's a lot easier for you to just leave, pack up your stuff and just say bye, Felicia. But then if you're with them for like years, we're talking about like 5, 10 years, and they give you bun, you better go give them back bun and you try to sort it out after. That's what I would do. Do you know what I mean? You can't just break up a 10-year relationship, but at the same time, you can't sit down and make the man make you look like an idiot and then keep on giving you bun. So it's bun for bun. But if you're with him for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, 2 months, and he gives you bun, girl, pack up your stuff and leave, man. There's plenty more fishes in the sea. In the video, yes, man forget bun, woman forget bun, bun for bun. I was like, no, sir. They're all talking about, in our society nowadays, everyone's giving bun. I was like, I lie, but not Msjulzb. Homie. But I just found it so funny how these grown man was like, yes, woman forget bun too. And no. And there were, one thing I will say with the video. this whole you can't cheat and still be a lady talk that flew out the window years ago. I'm sorry, that is such a like a what's that word? I don't know what the word is yet, but if a man can do it, so can a woman. Do you know why I said nowadays? Women are expected to work the same amount of hours as men nowadays. Women are expected to do the school run, plus work, plus a woman can do anything a man can do. So why can't we cheat as much as men as well? Sorry? Nah. It can't be one for one, like, no. If a woman has to work, cook, clean, do the school run, do everything else that a man can do, come on, you see women in construction sites nowadays. So I think a female could do... okay, a female can cheat, yeah, but if she's cheating in a ratchet way, then it's like, rah. But if she's there's a way of cheating that can be seen as like, I don't know, it's weird. I think the people can cheat classily? No. I don't know, you can cheat like a boss lady, you know? Like, it's not everyday ratchet, skin out, you know, brawling, cheating, but some people actually cheat so elegantly, you're like, damn. Huh?
In disguise or secretly?
I don't know, not secretly. Okay, say for instance you're in a relationship now, yeah? And your woman cheats and you find out. But because she's such a lady, you won't be upset because she didn't go out there and just dash her tun to any he, she, or the old lady. You know, like, she gave it to someone of like status and she was still elegant about it. She didn't come and push it in your face. Those kind of cheating you can kind of overlook. But you see, if your partner now goes and take up the worst of the worst, the scruffiest of the scruffiest, the neighborhood junkie or the neighborhood community mattress, then you have to be like, raw, like, do you not have respect for yourself? Like, I don't know, this cheating game is actually quite hard to really talk about. Yeah, and it's better to know if your man's cheating as well, because it's just like, then you can decide whether you want to leave or stay. So if you know he's a dog from morning, you know that no matter what you do, he won't change. So you just have to know that you have to protect his heart and yourself, and you just do what you have to do, innit? Like, if your man's a cheater from day one and you think, oh, I could change him, oh, Lord have mercy, no, that's not gonna work. No, it will take till thy kingdom come to change that kind of man. Thy kingdom come and hours of praying and prayer meeting and all them things there. But yeah, man, I don't know. I don't condone cheating. But at the same time, if a man's giving you bun in your eye and it feels like peppers in your eye, then you give him back twice as much bun. That's what I would say. Because I think it's unfair for a woman to be loyal, and then a man's coming to give you bun in your eyesight every day. Stop it. That's rude. I find that very rude, and I don't think that can run in no one's jurisdiction. Nobody. And if you actually like listen to these older females that have been in a relationship for 20, 30, 40, 50 years, and you say, whoa, you've made it, they'll be like, ma, did you ever know how much me have been put up with him? You understand? So it's a hard knock world, man. It's a hard knock world. You just better just go to church and start seeking God and prayer and them things there. Because, and another thing with this whole people cheating, you can have the most faithful man, you know. You can have the most loyalist partner, not even man, but women and men. They can be so loyal, and then that one temptation, do you understand? That one person that keeps on pushing and pushing and pushing and pushing, till one day they eventually, you know, they eventually get weak and they fall into temptation. Because you have people that, they know you're together, they know he's your man, they know that's your girlfriend, yeah? And they keep on pushing and pushing and pushing, and then it happens. So I also feel that sometimes it's not really your partner's fault why they cheat. Do you know, if that makes sense? Some people are just so manipulative. They keep on pushing and pushing, especially ones that know your business. Oh, but your girlfriend don't cook for you. Oh, come over, let me make you some curry goat and chicken, and you know, them things there. Listen, I'm a female, but some of us females are the wickedest specimens on earth, you know.
I'm so in the Jules, but my input on this cheating thing is, if you find that, yeah, we are all humans, so we make mistakes, we muck up, we do whatever. But if you find that you're cheating or your partner keep cheating, I think it's best for you to sit down, have a face-to-face, heart-to-heart talk, and say, well, since we can't be faithful to each other, why not have an open relationship where you can have someone, I can have someone, and we can maybe come together and, like, you know, have that sort of relationship, instead of you doing, I'm doing, you're hiding, I'm hiding, oh, I'm doing and she don't know, he's doing and I don't know stuff. Why not just have an open relationship? I think that's not the solution, and I'm not saying it's right and I'm not saying it's wrong. I'm only saying, why not do it that way?
Finish?
That's my Jules.
That is what I have to say on this bun for bun argument. Bun for bun. And some people are wicked, they should really get the bun for bun. So this is Msjulzb B. I hope you've enjoyed my little chit chat session today. And please do not take my word for gospel, and please don't get political in the comments. Yeah, this is just my little view on the video that I saw on Facebook. Okay, I love you, Msjulzb, and please remember to subscribe, comment, like, share, do all that good jazz. Okay, have a wonderful day, and I'll be seeing you very, very soon.